Yeet, yeet. Very nice, very nice. Can I push on? Yeah. Express my gratitude for you guys being here. I feel like when I was growing up, we did have this a lot. Like we had Monsters of Hip Hop come out, we had Desire to Dream, like we had some amazing, amazing shit that we just don't get anymore. So I want to do my part. Everything that I do for myself, what I invest into myself, at the end of the day, is to bring back here and give back to our community. So thank you for being here and for taking advantage of it. Up next we have the wonderful
workshops and trainings and events in Auckland and in New Zealand in general, so thank you for coming and yeah, thank you for your energy. I know we're spinning out here, so thank you.
This event is obviously my first time bringing an actual international quotation style.
I move so far in time. I've been whipped up in night. I've been whipped up in whip. I've been up in drive. I've been whipped up in time. I've been whipped up in night.
They work hard, and they just want to get back to you. I think that's crazy. I think that's special. This is what it feels like to feel proud of your friends. And this is why I do what I do. Because I just love connecting with people like that wherever I can. You know what I mean?
Damn, bro.
Thank you guys so much. And then please don't let them down. Don't let yourself down. Don't let me down. Don't let your family down. Like, show them like you can do this shit. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much.